Hey runners, so today I'm very excited to unbox the APEMAN A85 Action Camera. Alright, I can't wait to open this up. Really look awesome on the outside already. So before I unbox the camera, let's look at the features on the exterior of the box. Here it's written as 30-meter waterproof, 2.0 LCD display. And over here is 16MP photo, okay, MP means megapixel, and 4K Ultra HD video, okay, looks really awesome. That's the main gist of it, and it's also mentioned that it's IMDA compliance approval on this little sticker over here. Okay. So it's distributed by TeleChoice International Limited. Okay, I can't wait to unbox this thing finally. Whoa, okay. Okay, from the bottom. Okay, I need to adjust my camera so that you guys will be able to see all the contents that's being laid out on the table. Alright, so now I have adjusted my camera. You guys will be able to see all the accessories more clearly. I didn't know there are so many things inside the box itself. Let's open it one by one. So now that I have laid out everything on the table of the APEMAN A85, okay, let's start off by putting the battery in first. Okay, so this is the battery compartment. Okay, in case just now I didn't give you a very good look, so this is the wonderful close-up look of the APEMAN A85 camera. Good that they are able to provide two batteries at one go. So very rarely nowadays when you buy a camera, they are able to provide two batteries.